You've been traveling down the river in a dugout canoe for basically weeks and weeks. Your food has been damaged, you're running out of stores, you're with a group of people that you do not trust. Your equipment has been used so much, your clothing has been used so much over this time period that is wearing out. You're actually having to make clothes as you go along with like deer skins. It's kind of serious, but you're heading back home. You're basically out of food. This is Nicholas Cresswell's story as he's coming back out of the backcountry. Let me read to you from his journal, Monday, June 9th, 1775. We got underway early this morning. As we sat at dinner, saw 2 buffalo bulls crossing the river. When they were about halfway over, 4 of us got into a canoe and attacked them in the river, and the rest went along the shore to shoot them as soon as they came along shore. The river was wide, and we had a fine diversion fighting them in the water. The man in the head of the canoe seized one of them by the tail, and he towed us about the river for a half an hour. We shot him 8 times, we let him get ashore, and he ran away. Our comrades ashore, very angry with us. And they had a right to be so. Such a wonderful adventure. These guys are starving. They're trying to capture the buffalo and eat him. And he tows him around the river and they shoot him, and still he gets on shore and runs away. Oh, disheartening for such hungry people. The adventures of people. These folks in the backcountry. It is such a read, so enjoyable and so diverting. It makes your daily struggles seem infinitesimal in comparison. I love walking into the footsteps of the folks in the 18th century, just like we are here on the Eel River today, going down the river, having our own adventures. With rocks and logs and rapids, just like they had in the time period. I hope you're having a great day. If you're interested in the Nicholas Cresswell book, you can find it on our website. I'll make sure to put a link down in the description section. I hope you have a tremendous day, and thanks for watching.